Did he get him? No. It only made him stuck. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm out. Fuck you
Stalking.
guys.
He's stalking.
Oh, oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh?
I'm gonna go over here and heal.
Oh?
Kill it!
Oh. Kill it. Kill it.
Alive?
Kill it. Rip it.
ATG!
Get that ass down.
You should kill yourself.
More heroin.
Fuck.
Why are you all the way over there? Well, I'm gonna steal your item.
Mix gasoline and styrofoam.
Okay, on second thought, this item's ass, but I'm gonna take it anyway.
Right?
Poison. I love poison.
Alright, give me that red. Damn.
I love ATG.
Does it proc off a poison, or is it?
Yes.
Ooh.
Look at this guy. Look at him. He's not like bro is just cooling. Die!
Beetle too strong, please nerf.
TVH.
Watch out.
The one guy who's like mentally retarded. Yeah.
Among Us! Among Us!
I'll be back.
This shit. Pizza.
Pizza! Pizza!
Pizza. Fuck it, we ball.
I'm back.
There's a parent down here.
That sounds like
We
not
got
my
phone
problem,
call.
and that sounds like a you.
Right? On God, come on. Shit, man.
Stop shooting me with lasers!
Can you guys even get up here?
No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna steal your items.
Hey man, it's not like you need him
It's
anyway.
filling up. They're all killing themselves.
Oh, they're
They're stupid.
we go all the way around.
Why are you out there?
They're going after me! Help! Help! Help!
Just simply Diablo Strike.
Yeah,
Oh my
like,
God. We ball.
we're creating a new universe with my balls.
I'm getting aimbotted by wisps.
I don't even know where you are, dog.
Oh my god. Where did that guy go?
He be coolin', bro. He don't care about nothing.
We ball yet again.
Like, can you help us for the boss wave? Okay, on that case, I'm gonna steal your item.
Uh-oh.
Just like your dick, shut up.
Hillingham's dead.
He lived?
I'm alive!
Right into an Elder Lemurian.
I'm on second thought, I don't want to go up there. And now I'm dead. You got this, Lingam.
You got 20 enemies, Lingam.
Good luck. They all have soldier syringes, and they all heal.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna clutch up. You got this. I lowered my fucking